What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Fish and GrubbZ. All right, folks, today we're out here with Kristen. Skeeter-doodle-doo. She's there. And second trip with the yaks. I just got my paddle here. That just came in the mail. That's really what I've been waiting for. So we've been doing a lot of shore fishing, even with this new yak just sitting at home. But we're pumped. We got this thing now. We're back at the place we went out for the first time ever. Reason being is that this place is heating up faster than any other pond in the area. So I think it's our best chance of catching a bass without going to like a tiny little pond. So we're gonna get out there and see what we can put together. I'm excited. This is the start to a brand new season, and to a brand new life. That's what we're doing. That's what we're doing, folks. So let me talk about what we're doing today. It's a little bit different than normal. Today's a challenge. Today, because of our wonderful friend Kristen, we have this, our very own brand new GoPro. I know the last time I talked to you guys about the GoPro situation, our buddy Keith had let us borrow his GoPro 7, but now we have our own, thanks to Kristen, because she's fucking amazing. Her and her wonderful fiance came to my work and surprised me, and the way they did it is different than you could have ever imagined. So Kristen gave me a present, all right, and in those presents had 3 baits. She said I had to do a challenge with those 3 baits. I have to catch a fish on each one of those baits. And then she said, but there's one thing, you have to do it on this. She pulled out this GoPro and gave it to me. I cried a little, not gonna lie. So we're out here today with those baits. We're gonna see what we can do. One, we get a crankbait, just a little square bill, chartreuse color, perfect for here. We got these black and blue Senkos, which I think will work great. And then these little, almost like Kitech swim bait, paddle tail swim baits. And those are going on a chatterbait, the Z-Man. I already tied that on. So we're gonna throw the chatterbait and the wacky rig first. Once we get a fish on both of those, we're gonna switch up to the crankbait because that's what I have the least amount of confidence in. And then if we get a fish on everything, I have some jerk baits and a rat that I can throw. We'll see. But I wanna get through these. That's a challenge. 1 fish each bait. We have about 6 hours. See what we can do. This is the time of year where shit can really suck. So stay tuned. All right, folks, here we go. Maiden voyage number 2. So I guess it's not the maiden voyage, but it's the first time we actually have time to fish. Last time we had 1 hour. Well, we're back in the same spot. Probably gonna go over to the same area. Whoop. We'll give this thing a whirl. What do you guys think? Yes! Yes! No! I need a fucking net. Yes! Got him! Woo! Ice. Awesome. Woo! Best fish of the open water season for me so far. Oh, my heart's pounding. Thank goodness. Man, I've been working this spot for a while. Paid off. So pumped, folks. Best bass of the open water season for me so far. I think I'm gonna throw the chatterbait for a little longer, and then I'm gonna switch it up to the crankbait. It seems like they want something moving. This is the third fish that I've, you know, seen.
Yeah.
Second hooked. No, it's a two maybe. Yeah. Pumped though.
Yeah.
It's not.
Damn good fish.
Yeah, it's great. Good way to start. Too bad I didn't get the other one in the boat. We'd be killing it right now. But I'm gonna get back to doing what was working, I guess. Pow, 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 pow. No! Oh no! Sent the chatterbait that I caught a couple fish on today, flying into the clear blue yonder. So that's really nice. But that just forces us to tie on this crankbait and try and get us a fish on that. All right, folks, here we go. Chardarusi with the orange bottom, black top, SPRO, crankbait. All right, folks, that sums up the day. One fish, three almost. One looked at it. One I caught and couldn't get in the boat because I suck at kayak fishing. And one we got.
One good one, though.
You got one bite. It's a tough day.
Tough.
The water's heating up. It was what, 47 degrees?
Yeah.
47 degrees when we're leaving here right now. So tough fishing, but it's gonna get heating up real soon. And we're pumped that we got at least one today.
Yeah, a little excitement anyway.
Woo!
Woo.
So yeah, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button or you suck. Hit the bell and all that fun stuff. We'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Fishing GrubbZ. Peace out!